So my name is Allison Harper, and I have lived here in Tequesta since 2016. We bought this home here in Riverside Oaks. We really wanted something with more space. We really needed something that we could grow our family in, so that was my number one thing. We needed to save up for this project and try to decide when was the best time for our family. We thought it was at first when we were going through the process, we're like, oh, it shouldn't be that hard to get everything lined up. Little did we know, this is our first time ever doing a project like this. I mean, once we got rolling with it and everything, it was smooth sailing from there. I was looking for someone that was reliable, number one, because I feel like we had heard many stories where, contractors started projects and just unfortunately never finished them or had something crazy happen. So I was very skeptical with going through the process without having a direct connection with someone. We also have a neighbor that is in the industry, but I wanted someone that had a big team that, does build houses on a daily basis, not just renovation projects. Obviously, I could come to you at any time and be like, oh, I don't know if this light switch should be here because we're gonna be doing this on this shelf. So stuff that we normally would think from the plans all is good. It's good to be able to talk through, especially when something starts being put up, like for example, the fireplace. We're like, okay, does it need to be centered on the wall or does it need to be centered on the door? All the things, because there is a door there, we had to center it within the door to the end of the wall. So having to be able to be communicating throughout the process and knowing okay, we need to have a gap between this light, and this light. I don't know how far, and that's why we come to you guys for guidance on what would be best. I feel like we knew it was gonna be, a few month process to get through. Once we actually hit the ground running, I was blown away how quickly they were able to get the frame up on the roof. I was like, oh my gosh, we have a structure. Once we got the concrete slab done, it was boom, boom, boom. I feel like we should have did it 5 years ago. But now that we have, we're going through the process, should we not? I feel like we, without a doubt, made the best decision for sure. So honestly, I would say definitely use Southeast Coastal Builders because honestly, they were from start to finish, super professional. They got us everything we needed right away, and through the whole process, we were able to communicate and get the end results like this. You can't ask for better results, and I definitely highly recommend using you guys again. So.